Hey, wouldn't it be nice to have a simple and flexible trading mode that shows your profit potential in advance and lets you close your trades whenever you like to lock in your gains or avoid losses? My friends, Olimtrade cares for you, so you're in for a solution. Keep watching. My name is Gasper, and this video is about Flex.
What is Flex?
Who is that? Where are you?
It doesn't matter. What matters is our traders' questions, and they want to know all about Flex.
Well, I was just about to say that Flex is a brand new floating profitability trading mode that brings simplicity and freedom to your trade management. With Flex, you can quickly react to the market environment and control your trades with precision. Are you satisfied? Good. Let's go. So, before we move on...
Oh, can I try Flex right now?
Oh, I thought you were gone. Anyway, if you are sure you can do it all on your own and you want to try it right now, then go ahead, download Flex through the link in the description. It's available on both iOS and Android, and if you have any feedback, feel free to share. Otherwise, if you'd rather learn some first, then press that subscribe button to never miss a video on our channel. And now, let's discover Flex together.
What is CARE?
Sorry, come again?
What is Olimtrade's CARE approach?
Well, within its CARE initiative, Olimtrade has long been trying to answer all your trading pains and needs. We've been meticulously collecting your feedback to build an ideal trading mode.
Like what kind of feedback?
Should I just share some of the questions we've received?
Sure, we're all interested.
Okay, for example, you say you want your profit to increase as long as the price goes in your favor, but you don't want it to shrink when it goes in the wrong direction. So you want independence from the market fluctuation when it's against you and dependence on the market when it favors you.
Oh, convenient, isn't it?
Yeah, but I don't think it's funny.
Maybe you're right.
Can I proceed?
Sure, please do.
Thank you. Let's go on. Here's another one. You say you want more freedom with closing trades. You want to decide on the price direction only for a specified period so that your trade automatically closes when it expires. But you also want to be able to close the trade earlier when the gain is locked in there. So you want the timer to simplify choosing the price direction, but you don't want the timer when the profit is in there or the loss is apparent.
Oh, that's contradictory.
Yeah, it is. Or is it? We've been trying to make the impossible possible, and the perfect balance of Flex is the result of the Olimtrade's efforts to resolve all those contradictions.
Cool. Now just tell us how it works.
Can you stop interrupting, please? Yeah, thank you. So I was saying, you decide on the price direction, you specify the time period, you open a trade. If you made a bad forecast, you can close the trade immediately and avoid losses. If you made a good forecast, you can let it expire automatically or close it at any time you want. So far it sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Doesn't it?
Oh yes, it actually sounds pretty nice.
Excellent. Thank you. So, now I'm going to give you a detailed guide on how you can open a Flex trade. But before I do...
Yeah, we know. Like and subscribe.
That's right. Press that like button. Now, let's move on. So, here is a guide on how you can open a Flex trade. Go to the asset list, choose Flex, choose your asset and note its maximum profitability shown nearby. Then, set the trade duration from 1 minute to 23 hours.
What if I'm a newbie?
Seriously? Anyway, well, if you're a newbie, I suggest you go for a 5-minute trade. Then, enter the trade amount, and I recommend you go to 2 to 5% of your account balance. Then analyze the price. If you think it will go up, buy. If you think it will go down, sell. Done. Now,
you know what?
What?
Isn't Flex flexible?
Well, Flex is flexible, first of all, in the fact that the further the price moves in your favor, the higher your profit will be. Second, it's flexible in terms of time management, because if the market goes against you, you can close it at any time and avoid losses. But if the market goes in your favor, you still can close it manually to lock in your gain, or you can let it close automatically while you're drinking your masala chai. So, let's sum this whole thing up. Flex allows you to adjust your strategy on the go. It's a floating profitability trading mode suitable for both newbies and experienced traders who want to control their trades with precision and quickly react to the market environment.
Oh, that really does sound good. Well said.
Excellent, that's true. Thank you. So, Flex helps you get protected from major losses because it allows you to close your trades at any time you want, avoiding the losses even if your forecast was incorrect. I'm sure you like it, so go ahead and try it right now. The links are in the description.
Where are the links?
The links are in the description, I just said that. Also, as always, we need your feedback, so if you have any feedback, feel free to share.
Oh, I'll give you my feedback.
I mean our traders' feedback.
What about my feedback?
Anyway, I'll get back to you with more videos like this. See you!
All Limb Trade. Care that counts.